This pose stretches and strengthens your thighs, lower back, and ankles. Start in a kneeling pose with your thighs together and vertical to the floor. Untuck your toes and lower your hips down to sit on your heels. Rest your buttocks on the soles of your feet. Put your hands on your thighs and hold the upright pose with your torso. Take deep breaths in and release them out slowly. Don't round your back. Open your chest and draw your shoulders down. If you feel too intense, you can lift your hips slightly and sit on a cushion.